About this item: USB Type-C to VGA adapter, connects your USB-C laptop to the monitor or projector which has a VGA input. It's a good choice for your presentations, conferences, workshops, lectures. Compatible device, compatible with MacBook 2015/2016/2017, MacBook Pro 2016/2017/2019/2020/2021 and newer, iMac/iMac Pro 2017 and newer, MacBook Air with USB-C, iPad Pro 2018/2020/2021 and newer, Mac Mini 2018/2020 and newer, Dell XPS 12 9250, HP EliteBook Folio G1, Yoga 920, Samsung Chromebook Plus, Samsung Galaxy S8/S8 Plus/S9/S9 Plus/Note 8/Note 9/S10/S20, and more. More details in description. Easy to use, plug and play. No additional driver/software required. Compatible with Windows 11/10/8/8.1/7/Vista/XP, Mac OS X, Linux. VGA resolutions up to 1080p at 60 Hz, support resolutions up to 1080p, 1920x 1080, Full HD, at 60 Hz, downward compatible with